For our Healthy Monday series, today we are bringing you another healthy, delicious recipe. Today we are going to make Ragi Junnu. Our elders has been using ragi in many traditional dishes. Today we are going to use this traditional and nutritious millet to make something a little different. A soft, delicious and pudding-like Ragi Junnu. So let's see how to make this healthy and tasty Ragi Junnu at home. Namaste. Welcome to Stories from Amma's Kitchen. First take 1 cup of ragi and wash it thoroughly. Then add water and soak it for 8 hours. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is one of the traditional millets that has been part of our Indian diet for generations. It is naturally rich in important nutrients like calcium, iron, dietary fiber and protein. After soaking for 8 hours, drain all the water from the ragi. Now add 1 cup of coconut pieces and a little water and grind everything together until smooth. Strain the ground mixture to extract the ragi milk. After straining, take the remaining pulp and add some water, grind it again and strain it to extract more milk. Repeat this process until the pulp becomes dry and all the ragi milk has been extracted. We did this 3 times, adding 1 cup of water each time. So we used 3 cups of water in total. Now place a kadai on a stove and add the extracted ragi milk and 1 cup of organic jaggery and start mixing well. Keep stirring continuously with a spatula or a whisker until the mixture becomes thick. Here, avoid using a ladle because it can cause lumps to form. So use a spatula or whisk and keep stirring continuously. Once the mixture becomes thick, and add 1 spoon of cardamom powder and 1 spoon of cow ghee. Mix everything well again. Turn off the stove. Now take a bowl and apply a little ghee all over the inside of the bowl. Now transfer the hot ragi mixture into the greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a lid and refrigerate it for an hour. After 1 hour, the mixture will set beautifully and become soft and pudding-like. You can gently loosen the edges and transfer it into a plate before serving. That's it. Our healthy and delicious Ragi Junnu is ready. The ghee gives it a wonderful aroma and the texture will be soft and smooth like a pudding. Tastes absolutely delicious. Do try making this Ragi Junnu at home. If you enjoyed Amma's healthy recipes, please like the video and share it with your family and friends. For more healthy, simple and tasty homemade recipes, subscribe to our Stories from Amma's Kitchen channel. We will see you again with another healthy recipe. Thank you.